Amidst the ongoing military standoff in eastern Ladakh, India and China are set to hold 9th round of Corps Commander level talks today. The talks are going to take place in Moldo, opposite the Chul sector of the Indian side. A representative from the Ministry of External Affairs is going to be a part of the discussions. Like in the previous few meetings, a bitter border standoff between two countries has now entered the 9th month, with several rounds of diplomatic and military talks failing to yield any breakthrough. The 8th and last round of military talks was held on 6 November last year, even with temperatures dipping to minus 30 degrees in the friction points. Heavy deployment of troops and armoured vehicles continues on both the sides. In fact, we're getting reactions coming in from the IAF chief when he was asked about the LAC standoff during the exercise Desert Night on 2021 in Jodhpur.
चाइना जो है वो अग्रेसिव हो सकता है, तो ऐसे में इंडियन एयरफोर्स की तैयारी इस वक्त कैसी है? क्या अभी भी कंटिन्यू फ्लाइंग हो रही है उन सब इलाके में, खासतौर पर रफाल फ्लाई कर रहे हैं उस तरफ?
हाँ, सब तैयारी चल रही है। अगर वो अग्रेसिव हो सकते हैं तो हम भी होंगे। हमारी तैयारी पूरी है।
Abhishek is now joining us for the very latest. Abhishek, what can be expected out of the 9th round of Corps Commander level, military level talks that is going to take place amidst, of course, the bitter border standoff that we are seeing at the moment?
Chaiti, it's a resumption of the military dialogue, that seemed had come to a standstill because the last talks took place on November 6th. It's been more than 2 months. Finally, the talks are happening. And what I've heard is that, the common ground from both sides is likely to be taking forward the consensus that was reached in the previous 2 talks, where some kind of a roadmap was discussed for disengagement. But because there was no further discussion on it and those things could not be ironed out, the deadlock continued. At least the Indian side is hopeful that now that the dialogue is continuing, all those aspects of a phased de-escalation from different friction points, beginning from the northern bank of the Pangong Lake, then the southern bank of Pangong Lake, where the Indian Army has been controlling heights, and then in the 3rd phase, moving to other areas like Depsang, is likely to be taken up. But whether there will be a concrete, resolution, that's still difficult to say. It appears that several other levels of talks at the diplomatic and perhaps at the political level will continue.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Abhishek, for getting us up to speed with the very latest details on the story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.